welcome back to my channel. Today we have the FabFitFun box for winter. This box is enormous. Look how big the box is. And it's like a weird box. I don't really know what's happening. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it's a quarterly subscription box. It is a mixture of lifestyle, home, there's sometimes fitness things, beauty. The items are full size, they are great for gifting, they are quality, they're from brands that you've heard of, some brands you haven't heard of. The box retails for $49.99 quarterly. We're going to open up what's in here. You can customize items in the box, but they send out those customization emails a couple months before you get your box. So I don't remember exactly what I chose, which is kind of fun. I think I was able to customize 4 or 5 of the products. I'm not really sure. I have the hiccups right now, so I have to go get a giant glass of water and then we will get back to this. It's an Milani new energy drink, Hawaiian shaved ice. They're delicious. I did just have a bunch of water, but I want this too. Alright, so we have the catalog that tells you about all of the products in here, all the products that were available. There are articles. I'm going to be real honest. I don't usually read it. Oh my gosh, this pan. I've never even heard of this pan until recently, and then I've seen it everywhere, and I'm confused. I'm very confused by it. Anyway, this is not about that. Tells you everything that is available, and then there are always little sponsored extras. Bright sellers. There's a cute little sticker. Add a little sparkle to your shine. Oh, I have a code. There's always a code for $15 off your first box. I believe it's a one-time use code, so I always leave it in the description box. If you can use it more than once, you're welcome to try it. If it doesn't work, it's because someone has used the code and it's valid through March 31st. So I'll leave that in the description box. Like HBO Max, HelloFresh. Oh, this is cute. A tea subscription box. I wish I could do just all of the subscription boxes. I love them. And then a HelloFresh code, and then a Bright Sellers code. So those are just some little sponsored things in there. I'm sorry, I think I just had the camera. The first thing in here is a set of scrunchies. Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. Keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies. $25. There are 3 of them in here. They are tied together. I'm not really an animal print kind of person, but this is a perfect example of something that's a great additional like add-on gift. Stocking stuffer gift. You know, scrunchies are coming back. This would be a cute little just extra to put with a gift, and they're very soft, but it's not something that I'm personally going to use, just because I'm not like a leopard print person. If it were camouflage, I'd be all over it, which is ironic because animal print is animal camouflage. But you know, that's something I will pass on to someone, and there are 3 of those. Okay, what is next? Next we have, oh, those retail for $25. Did I say that? I did. Next we have the Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Star Blemish Patches. These pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches. These retail for $18 on their stars. They have tea tree oil and calendula oil. Cleanse and completely dry your skin before applying. Peel a patch from the sheet and apply to cover the blemish. Leave it on for at least 1 hour or overnight. For best results, use 6 hours or more. I basically am just gonna line my entire chin with these and see what happens, because I have the worst acne ever right here. So if you're like, Amanda, your concealer looks really textured. Yeah, I know. Thanks. Next we have the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. Oh, come fly with us. I would love to. Where the crap am I gonna go? Okay, hydrate and nourish your skin with a blend of Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid. I don't know what that means, but it sounds amazing. This retails for $39. This is a perfect example of a brand that I have never heard of and I probably would not have purchased, but I will definitely try it. It's sealed. I don't really want to open it right now because I'm not going to go into it. Made in Australia. I mean, that makes sense, but you know, you never know. Very sealed. The packaging is really cute. High altitude hydration mask. No wash off necessary. Oh, I like that because then I just use it as like an overnight mask. Oh, it's sealed, so you know there's yet another layer to. Oh, it smells like. Oh, it's just kind of. Can you see? It's just sort of milky, clear color. Listen, I've given up trying to get my dog to stop barking. I don't know. Okay, sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid work to hydrate and plump your skin. Our leave-in mask? I will try that. The next thing is from the brand Ilia, and this is their Limitless Lash Mascara. And this is a dual-sided brush that lifts and lengthens every lash with a blend of beeswax and shea butter. This retails for $28. It says after midnight. Is that the color? That was my stomach. I'm sorry. I'm not ready to open this yet because I have more open mascaras than I should right now. But I'm pretty excited to try this. I've only ever tried one thing from Ilia. I definitely want to try more, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So we will definitely try this mascara from Ilia. I'm excited about that. The wand in the magazine looks like it's a rubber bristle brush, which isn't my absolute favorite, but I'm liking more rubber bristle brushes than I used to, so we'll see. Alright, so next we have something from a brand called Phase Zero, which I've never heard of. This is called Making Moves Blusher. A silky smooth formula blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. And this is the color called Making Moves? I feel like it is. Hold on. It looks like a really, it looks like a really pretty terracotta color. Yeah, the color is called Making Moves. Oh, okay. This kind of looks like, it kind of looks like that peachy, salmony with gold shimmer color. I don't really love how this color looks on my skin, kind of like NARS Orgasm. I'm not a big fan of that color. I don't know why I'm holding my arm like this. It smells like suntan lotion though. It smells delicious. I'm not going to swatch this though because I know I'm not going to wear a color like this. I just don't really like how this, like that extreme gold looks on my skin in a blush. I like a gold highlight, but gold sheen in my blush, I'm not a fan. So I'm not going to swatch that. I'll pass it on to someone, but it looks like it will be pretty for someone, just not me. Ooh, this is another sponsored thing, Kind Bar. I'm not starving. What flavor is this? Dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Okay, well this oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. This is one of the big things, I guess. This is the Unhide Lil Marshmallow Blanket. Stay cozy all winter long with this soft faux chinchilla blanket. This retails for $65. Here's the thing. I need to eat lunch. I love blankets. We have so many blankets and I don't actually think it's too many. I love blankets. Who doesn't love a cozy blanket? It's cold 7 months of the year here. I need blankets. Okay, hold on. I mean, would I spend $65 on a blanket? No. But that's why I like subscription boxes. Buster is gonna steal this. It's kind kind of heavy. What size is this? I think it's like a 50 by 60 and it doesn't say the, oh yeah, 50 by 60. Lil Marsh, 50 by 60. Oh. Oh yes. It's so cozy. Also, I don't think this is supposed to be a weighted blanket, but this is a heavy blanket. But very, very soft. Buster is going to steal this immediately, which is annoying because it's a $65 blanket. Why is this so heavy? There's a nice little, I'm assuming, faux suede tag on it since it's supposed to be a cruelty-free blanket. The next thing in here is a set of cutting boards, because when you're an adult, you're like, yeah, I do want cutting boards, actually. These are from Ipere, I don't know. Cutting board set of 4. Each cutting board features a non-slip backing grip so you can cut your veggies, fruits, and more with ease. This set of 4 retails for $19.95. They have a little hole if you want to hang them somewhere. I just have a little skinny drawer in my kitchen that I slide my cutting boards into. But this is for, you know, fish, veggies, chicken or poultry, and then red meat. I thought these would be good for my daughter too, because as she's, you know, doing some things, this blanket is making my hair crazy staticky. Helping in the kitchen and stuff, I can say, oh, you know, and she knows that we have different cutting boards, but this is a really easy visual representation of, oh, grab me the meat cutting board or whatever. So I think this would be fun. My arms. And then the last thing in the box is probably what I'm most excited for after this. So, okay. This is the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. This retails for $45. It features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. And I don't have a lighted makeup mirror. I just have a little foldable magnifying mirror. It comes with batteries, or you can charge it. Let's assemble it. Hold on. Probably smearing my fingerprints all over the front of this. Oh, and you can adjust the mirror and tilt it. The only thing I wish is you could raise this, but like, wow, it's a huge mirror and it's very nice. It's a very clear mirror. I can easily see all of my acne, so that's good. The value of my box today was $267.45. Now, that being said, I did choose, I chose this, I chose the mirror, I chose the cutting board, and I think I chose the mascara. So depending on what you choose, the value will fluctuate. There are a lot of cute things. These champagne flutes are super cute. Ooh, there's like a really cozy robe. Oh, there's some Kate Spade earrings. Oh, there's a teeth whitening kit. Oh, wow. Okay. If you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box. What did you choose? Or if you don't have to choose if you don't want to, but that's kind of the best part. So let me know what you chose, and I'll put that $15 off your first box code in the description box. I'm pretty sure it's a one-time use, so if you want to use it, go right ahead, and if you do use it, let us know so no one else is trying to use it and can't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in my next video.